Whether your business requires data management for a single CAD system or management of CAD data for multiple systems, Teamcenter provides a single source for all CAD data, with integrations for NX, CATIA, ProE, Solid Edge, SolidWorks, Inventor, AutoCAD, and many more. You can empower designers to spend their time working on design, not tracking down the latest drawing or file. They can continue working in their native CAD system with Teamcenter managing data and processes behind the scenes. Designers can easily locate a part or assembly, enabling reuse and ensuring that they're working with the latest design. Once located, data can be opened and edited in the native CAD tool. In this example, the designer is making a simple change to a snowblower subassembly. Once complete, the item is saved in Teamcenter, using version and revision rules that can be configured to match your business process. In this example, Industry Standard CAD Neutral files, or JT, are generated upon check-in. JT files can be used to easily communicate, collaborate, and share information both internally and with your external partners and suppliers. In this example, we now see that the designer was working with a subassembly of a large snowblower. Users can browse through the bill of material, loading the entire assembly or only those components they're interested in. This snowblower was created in 7 different CAD systems, but the user is able to visualize all the components together, regardless of their source. This virtual product can be viewed, interrogated, and marked up by widely dispersed participants across the product lifecycle. You don't have to be a CAD designer to use it. From basic markups to more advanced analysis, Teamcenter provides very robust digital mockup and validation capabilities. Here, we've generated a report to visually highlight the native CAD system for each subassembly. Color reports can also be used to highlight the release status of each assembly, the supplier each item comes from, effectivity dates, and more. Flexible reporting capabilities enable you to easily understand and communicate important information. With capabilities such as process simulation, path planning, space claim, and clearance analysis that you see here, you can support accurate analysis across the product lifecycle. In this example, we're checking for any clearance issues near the blade. We can step through all of the found issues and interrogate for additional information where needed. These are just a few examples of some of the powerful view and analysis capabilities available with JT and CAD Data Management in Teamcenter.